Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed last week. You had corn and wheat higher while beans finished the week lower. Wheat was the big winner on the week. You had some weather concerns as far as getting winter wheat into the ground after a slow harvested soybean crop, and also some short covering really supporting the wheat market last week. And then corn was higher based on some concerns over planted acres this upcoming year, and also down in South America. Soybeans are penciling in at a better price right now, more profit per acre on soybeans than on corn, so that rallied corn. And then beans kind of pulling back as the cash meal situation slowly fixes itself, and the market is technically higher than it should be based on fundamental supply and demand, but the soybean meal tight squeeze really supported it higher through much of October. Starting to pull back a little bit from that right now. We'll have to see how it pans out based on that moving forward. We're lower across the board to get us started this week. One of the main things the trade has its eye on is the NOPA crush estimate coming out at 11 a.m. Central this morning. Trade's looking for around 150 million bushels for the October crush. We're getting to October crush, is always a month behind. So we got September and October. We're getting October and November. So looking for 150 million bushels. The trade has their eye on that. So keep your eye on that around 11 a.m. Central. See how the markets react based on the variations from what the trade is expecting. So moving forward, other than that, not really a whole lot to discuss right now. We'll keep our eye on South American weather. Right now, there's not any issues. And for any sustained rally, most in the trade thinks that we're going to need to see some issues down there pop up in order for this rally that we've seen throughout October to last, and for the pullback not to continue. But we'll definitely keep you updated as things move forward here. We will get crop progress out today, one of the last reports. I think we'll probably get one next week, and after that I believe we'll be done until April. But we'll get crop progress out at 3 p.m. today. We'll let you know how that report came out in tomorrow's Wilkins Ag Wire. So have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.